If you're new to the world of creating concrete candle jars, or you feel lost and just want to quickly and efficiently improve your skills, I've got something awesome for you. Hi, my name is Jay Catalano. Let me introduce you to the Winning Formula, a comprehensive online video course that covers everything you need to know to excel in the art of making concrete candle jars. From the very basics of working with concrete to the intricate techniques of mastering the skillful use of color pigments, this course has got you covered. But wait, the Winning Formula offers more than just instructions on creating concrete candle jars. Rather, it provides an easy to understand, concise, step-by-step framework that will help to transform your crafting. In addition, I've mixed things up with quick and fun quizzes following each section. These little brain teasers aren't just for fun. They're your secret weapon for solidifying your grasp on the material you're learning to master. And here's the best part. You won't be going through this journey alone. With the Winning Formula, you'll have direct access to me through my private group, so you can get the help you need, which will save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. I'm here to support you every step of the way. And guess what? That's not all. Inside this course, you'll discover an amazing collection of bonus resources that will inspire, educate, and captivate you even more. None of this stuff is public on my YouTube channel. These extras will take your learning experience to a whole new level and help you become a pro at making concrete candle jars. So let's take your concrete candle jar making skills to new and creative heights by enrolling in my exclusive course, The Winning Formula, available to purchase right now. Check out the link in the description for more details and start elevating your concrete candle jar making skills today. Let's go.